Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. A very interesting video. The topic being taken, is one of those exclusive topics which you don't find on YouTube very often. This topic is basically squaring those numbers which end in 25, like 125, 325, 825, 1225, 1525, ending in 25. So is there a rule for that, and can we simplify this calculation? We will see in this video. This topic which I am taking up is a part of our ebook of short tricks, chapter number 4, and the chapter is entitled Simplification of Squares of Numbers, which we are doing currently. We will be doing cubes and then the square roots and the cube roots. So lot of videos coming up for this particular chapter number 4 of our ebook of short tricks. Now you must be wondering, what is this ebook of short tricks? So let me tell you, this is especially for those students who love mathematics, who wants to excel in calculations and calculate 10 times faster than their friends. And for all those college students, who are aspiring to get into good universities, or all those who are actually preparing for some quantitative aptitude exam like SSC, LIC, railways, banking, UPSC and whatnot, CAT, MAT, so many exams are there in which quantitative aptitude is asked. So this ebook is for all those students, and it contains 350 such short methods. So at a very nominal cost, you get something which is going to help you throughout your life. And how to get a copy of that? Send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. You can find this WhatsApp number in the description of this video as well. Send me a message now. I'll tell you how to get the copy, okay? So friends, let's understand the concept by using some examples. I'll do 5 or 6 questions till the time you feel comfortable, and after watching these 6 questions you need to do 30 questions yourself, and then you will realize the beauty of the method which I am going to take up. So the first question is 225 square. See, the number ends in 25. Even if you don't use number ending in 25, I can take the number ending in 5 method which I told you in the previous video. That also works, but this will be shorter than that method because it ends in 25, right? So what do we have to do here? See, 225, it contains the 25, and apart from the 25 it contains 2. So the first thing you are going to do is to write the square of this number, 2 square, okay, and then add half of 2, that is 2 divided by 2. You always have to take the half of this number, okay. So what do you get here? You add them, you get 4 plus 1, and this will become 5. And what do you do with 5? Just multiply it by 10, and when you multiply this by 10 you get 50. And finally this number 50 will be the first part of your answer, and remaining 25 square we already know is 625. So this 625 will be suffixed with 50, which will give you the square of 225. Now you can pick up the calculators, check your answer. 50625, is it the square of 225? And you will be surprised that this is very accurate. So what do you do? Apart from the 25, whatever number is here, square that number, half that number, add the 2 and multiply the result by 10. This will give you the first part of your answer. The second part is 625. Let's apply it here. So for 425, apart from the 25 you have the 4, right? So you will be requiring 4 square. You will be adding half of 4 to that. How much is this? This is 16 plus 2, 18, and multiply this by 10. So 18 multiplied by 10 will give you 180. See, all these things you can do mentally also. I am writing it here to tell you the method so that you have it for your ready reference. But when you start practicing, don't write all the steps. Do it mentally. So you get a 180 and 180, and then suffix is 625, and now pick up the calculators. 425 square. Is it 180625? And you will be really surprised. Let's apply it to some higher numbers. How about 725? So apart from the 25 you have the 7. So 7 square and half of 7. Now this is going to be interesting. 7 square plus half of 7. How much is this? 49 plus half of 7 is 3.5. Now you get a decimal 52.5. But when you multiply this by 10, the decimal will shift and you will get a whole number 525. So what is the answer for the question? You already know it, right? 525 first part and 625 as the second part. And check using the calculator, the answer is correct. 5 to 5, 6 to 5 is the square of 725. Likewise, if the number is a 4-digit number, still the method holds good. Now, apart from the 25, here you have a 10, right? So you will do 10 square and then add half of 10 to that. How much is this? 100 plus 5, 105, and multiply it by 10, you get 1050. And you know the result, right? 1050625, and here is the square of 1025. Some more questions to feel more comfortable. Here you have 12 apart from the 25. 12 square plus half of 12 is 144 plus 6, which is 150. Multiply it by 10, you get 1500. So your answer for the question 1500625, and this is the square of 1225. And the final question here, 24. Apart from 25 you have the 24. So 24 square plus half of 24. 24 square is 576, and add what? Half of 24, 12 to that. So you get 885. Multiply this by 10, you get 5880, and finally the answer 5880625, which is the square of 2425. See how quickly we can actually find the squares of numbers ending in 25. Smart, right? That's what we require, smartness. And if you're liking all these videos, there is a request from my side. Please like the video, and as soon as you like the video, you get the option of hyping the video. So if you give it 80 points, the video has greater chances of reaching the masses. And this will be done, rather totally free of cost, on no cost involved from your side. So do share the channel link with all your friends. Do subscribe the channel and click this very important bell shaped icon. If you click this, you will get all notifications on your mobile itself whenever I upload a fresh video for you. Practice this method, 20-30 questions, and I will wait for your comment here. Did it work for you? All the best.